CR 8904, State of Texas versus Tanya Ortega. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
Defense?
Humberto Southern.
And are you Tanya Ortega?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Ortega, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonition. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of aggravated robbery? It's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5...
Hold on a second. This is already an unusual plea deal. Aggravated robbery is a first-degree felony in Texas, carrying a potential sentence of life in prison. Yet the state is recommending deferred adjudication instead of prison time. That means the court is giving Tanya a chance to avoid a final conviction if she successfully completes probation. The big question is, has she truly earned this second chance?
5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? I'm showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine, affirmative finding of deadly weapon. State recommends deferred. There's to be restitution, if any, to Michelle, Michelle Young. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, sir.
State?
It is, Your
When
Honor.
you're outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours community service restitution, and no contact with Michelle Young. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit Number 1 with office attachment. No objection.
Proceeding with sentencing?
Now the story takes a sharp turn. Tanya isn't admitting to the robbery narrative the state originally charged. Instead, she's claiming she was actually the victim of an assault and that the allegations stemmed from a conflict involving another person. Cases like this can get incredibly complicated because courts often have to sort through conflicting witness statements, police reports, and credibility issues. What do you think? Does her explanation sound believable?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So what started this argument? What's the argument about?
So this lady was upset with me because I was assaulted by her boyfriend. He hit me with a gun from behind and called in this aggravated robbery. Said that I held a gun, took her phone and her makeup.
Okay. And I see what the witnesses are saying as well. So what is up with the tattoos, the writing over the eyes? Whose name is that?
I have 2 kids. It's my son and my daughters. I've failed as a...
Notice how the judge shifts away from the crime itself and starts asking about Tanya's children, education, future plans. This isn't random small talk. Judges often look for signs of rehabilitation, evidence that someone is trying to change their life. And right now, Tanya is presenting herself as someone who has made mistakes but wants to become a better parent and role model.
I've failed as of yet to be a mom that I really want to be for my kids. And I feel somewhat this is a way I can express to them that I love them. It's silly in part, but maybe if they see something, they know that my mistakes are not towards them, and the love that I have for them is just bad choices that I've made.
All right. And how old are your children?
9 and 12. My parents have adopted them to the state of Texas so they could go to college. Have a
Well,
good, stable home.
they adopted them so they could go to college, but you're right, that last part, for them to have a stable
Yes.
home. Do you have
I
any
talked
plans to
them-
have any more children?
No,
Okay.
I'm done. But I've taken parenting and I've done a lot of things while in TDC, and I went to college in TDC and I got an associate's.
This is a massive moment. Instead of sending her to prison, the judge is imposing 8 years of deferred adjudication with a long list of conditions. Community service, drug testing, anger management, sober meetings, employment requirements. The court is essentially creating a roadmap for success. There's a catch. Fail these conditions, and the consequences can be severe. Remember this moment, because it may become very important later.
In horticulture, and I'm in their lives, and I can't just go in and rearrange everything that my parents have
No.
done. I don't have that right. So I'm grateful that my mom and dad allow me to co-parent with them, and slowly but surely I will re-enter their lives and use my mistakes as an example of things I've made a pathway for them not to experience.
All right. And what is the tattoo on your chest about?
It's a cover-up. Like I said, I've made poor choices, and it's a name that I wanted to get covered up.
Any gang affiliation with you?
No, Your Honor.
Drug use?
No, Your Honor.
So why did Child Protective Services come in?
Well, my parents adopted my kids 7 years ago, and at that time, I was on a bad route.
All right. So what drugs were you using at that time?
I was smoking marijuana.
CPS does not. I did a lot of CPS cases. There was more going on than smoking marijuana. What else was going on?
No, I was just smoking marijuana, but I was in a very bad relationship with my daughter's dad, and that was another factor to bring into the.
And what's that father's name?
Eduardo Sotelo, but he's dead. May he rest in peace.
All right.
He died of a OD on synthetic marijuana. His heart exploded 3 years ago.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. A $1,500 fine. It will be probated. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be no contact and restitution to Michelle Young. There's to be no unsupervised contact.
And here comes the twist nobody wanted to see. Fast forward to the probation revocation hearing. The same opportunity that was given earlier is now hanging by a thread. The allegation? Theft involving scrap metal materials. This is the danger of deferred adjudication. One violation can reopen the door to the full punishment range of the original offense.
With minors, proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Random regular UAs. We can do a gang evaluation. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. 200 hours of community service restitution. 8 years deferred adjudication. Anger management. And I'm going to...
Wow, that's the courtroom reality check. Just months earlier, the judge gave Tanya a chance to rebuild her life outside prison. Now that opportunity is gone, and the court has imposed an 8-year prison sentence after finding the probation violation true. It's a powerful reminder that second chances come with responsibilities, and when those conditions aren't met, the consequences can be life-changing. Do you think the judge made the right call, or should Tanya have been given another chance?
I want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Anything else, probation? All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Judge, we're just going to ask if she chooses to continue her academic career, could some of those hours be used for community service?
Yes. But I will tell you this. If you're continuing with your academic career in this court, you must be doing at least 8 hours per semester.
Your Honor, is there any local parenting classes that you could refer me to?
Yes.
No, there's always...
All right. I'll add parenting classes